You won't believe what happened to me last week. I got hit by a major cybersecurity breach. It was a real roller coaster.
Oh no, really? That's terrible. What happened?
Well, here's the scoop. I got this seemingly legit email, claiming to be from my bank. It asked me to click a link, update my account details. It looked so real. It had the bank logo, everything. So, without thinking, I went ahead and clicked it.
Ugh, that sounds so legitimate. What did you do next?
Well, after clicking, I was asked to enter my account info, and like a fool, I did it. The next thing I knew, my bank account was completely drained. I couldn't believe it. It was a total nightmare trying to recover everything.
That's just awful. Unfortunately, these incidents are happening more and more these days.
Exactly, and it's crazy how these cyber criminals can be so sneaky. I really thought I was on my bank's website once I clicked that link.
That's exactly why our company is taking cybersecurity seriously. They've assigned us all a cybersecurity awareness training. We're supposed to learn how to stop phishing emails, secure our devices, and protect sensitive data.
That's a good move. After what I've been through, I'm definitely taking that training seriously. Where can I find it?
You can access it on our company's intranet. I'll send you the link. It's crucial for all of us to be well informed and vigilant to prevent these kinds of incidents in future.
Hi there, welcome to this in-depth cybersecurity awareness training. We're here to make sure that you're all set to tackle the digital world safely. First up is section 1. We're going to dive right into the basics of cybersecurity. We'll talk about why it's so crucial in today's connected world, the different types of online threats, and what can happen if you fall victim to a cyber attack. We'll also give you some practical tips to keep yourself secure. Now, moving on to section 2. We'll focus on safe web browsing and email habits. We'll show you how to recognize phishing attempts, understand sneaky tricks that people use online, and teach you how to browse the web securely. We'll even touch on the do's and the don'ts of social media to keep your digital life intact. In section 3, it's all about protecting your data and devices. We'll guide you on keeping your important information safe, from creating strong passwords to using encryption and secure file sharing methods. We'll also cover things like how to handle USB drives securely and why keeping your software up to date is essential. Then in section 4, we'll tackle mobile devices and remote work. You'll learn how to safeguard your mobile gadgets even when you're traveling. We'll also share smart strategies for working remotely and how to stay safe on public Wi-Fi networks too. Lastly, in section 5, we'll talk about physical and organizational security. This means making sure your workspace is secure and understanding how to use your personal devices at work without risking security. We'll also stress the importance of reporting any security issue right away. And by the end of this course, you'll be all set to navigate the digital world confidently. Cybersecurity isn't just a trendy word, it's a vital skill today. So buckle up and get ready to boost your digital resilience. Let's dive in and learn how to protect what matters most.